We are going to continue. I know, this is wicked fun. We are going to continue dividing monomials. And now the problem is a little bit more challenging. This time, instead of dealing with smaller numbers, less exponents, less variables, now we have negative 24 x to the third y to the fifth z divided by 32 x y squared z to the fourth. So this is a little bit bigger of a problem. I want you to take a shot at this one. Break it apart into its pieces, and then simplify and put everything back together.
So it can be in as many parts as you can.
So this one we're going to have a lot more parts. Right. So I'm going to pause the video. You give this one a shot at home, and then when you're ready, start the video up again and see how you did. All right, so how did we break this apart? How did this get broken apart? Someone I have not heard from yet. Molly.
Okay, so I split it apart into negative 23 over 32 times x to the second over x times y to the fifth over y2 times z over z4.
Okay, you said that faster than I can write, so I'm sorry about that.
Ooh, that's complicated.
Oh, I forgot the, oh my goodness gracious. That's what I get trying to listen and write at the same time. So, Molly, could you help me out? What goes down here?
Y to the second.
Oh, there we go. I thought you said
Over z4.
Okay.
And then after that,
Sure.
you simplify it to negative 23 over 32 is negative 3 to the 4. And
Okay.
then
Because they both shared a factor of 8. Okay. All right. So,
I copied this down wrong.
all right. So here's a little hint. I could break this apart into x times x to the second, and just break this into x and 1. But wait a second. Wouldn't it be faster? What am I going to do with these exponents? I'm going to subtract them. So 3 minus 1 is?
1. It's 2, buddy. It's 2. I see it.
And that's going to live on forever. You know that, right?
You said 3 minus 2?
Yeah, he's on there.
All right. Now, hold on a second. Do you have more x's in the numerator or the denominator? So you're going to end up with x's in the numerator, okay? So we have y to the fifth divided by y to the second. Do we have more y's in the numerator or the denominator? How many more in the numerator? 3.
Numerated 1.
And finally, do we have more z's in the numerator or the denominator? The denominator. How many more?
3 more.
So let's put it back together. So in the numerator, we have negative 3 times
X squared.
x. Thank you, Abdu. Everyone can hear you. Good.
Y. Divided to the third. That's it.
That's it. Okay. And then in the denominator?
Z4 is z to the third. Z cubed. I got it right.
All right. Sweet. For everyone listening, Tacola got it right.
Good job.
Woo!
All
right. Okay. So now that everyone is letting you know. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. So now we're going to do things a little bit differently, and these are the last two things that we're going to talk about. I have 18 c to the 9th. And this is going to be equal to a pair of factors. I'm going to say this is equal to negative 6 c to the 4th. Right now, with your neighbor, I want you to figure out what my other factor is.
Negative 3 c to the third. No. You're wrong. You're also your belly.
Oh boy, I wonder if you could hear that one.
You heard nothing. No one here.
So what is the missing factor that would multiply these two monomials to 18c to the 4th. All right, Juliet?
Negative 3c to the 5th.
Negative 3c to the 5th. And let's double check this. Negative 6 times negative 3 is? C to the 4th times c to the 5th. Do I add or multiply the exponents? You add them. So 4 plus 5 is 9. We're good. So we'll try one more. For you at home, I would like you to pause the video, see if you can do it yourself, and then rejoin us.
And then just do it.
Yes, so you can hear more about Abdu and his wardrobe malfunction. All right, so please pause the video now. All right, so in this problem, you divided 18c to the 9th by 6c to the 4th, and you got negative 3c to the 5th. Okay. What did you get when you divided 16x to the 4th y to the 3rd by 8x squared y?
Oh.
Evan.
I got 2x to the 2nd and y to the 2nd.
So you got 2x to the 2nd, y to the 2nd. And let's double check this. 8 times 2 is 16. X to the squared, x squared times x squared is?
X to the 4th.
And y squared times y is?
Y to the cube.
All right.
Y to the cube.
Y to the cube. Way to go. All right. Your mom and dad must be real proud. All right. So today you learned about how to divide monomials. And the next thing we're going to start taking a look at is how to divide a monomial from a polynomial.
Wait, poly means 5.
Poly means many, buddy.